Let's begin with the first line.
Where were ye nymphs, when the remorseless deep clasped o'er the head of your loved Lycidas?
So, as we know that Lycidas, that is, the Edward king, died by drowning in the sea, so here the poet is questioning the nymphs, as where they were he was drowning, why didn't they protect him?
For neither were they playing on the steep, where your old bards, the famous Druids, lie.
In these lines, poet says that when Lycidas was drowning, the nymphs are not where they should be. They were not at the mountain peak that is located on an island called BAEGH, where 20,000 saints are buried.
Nor on the shaggy top of Mona High, nor yet where Deva spreads here wizard stream. Amy, I fondly dream.
Here, Mona High refers to Isle in Anglesey, and Anglesey is an island in Wales. And the Deva refers to River Dee in the northern Wales. And at last line, poet says that he foolishly thinking about all the supernatural creatures, as nothing can be done now, as death is not a reversible process. Now, the poet tells the story about Orpheus. Orpheus is a poet, musician, and a prophet in Greek mythology. He was the son of the muse named Calliope. He used to worship god Apollo, that is Sun, who taught him to play. Once, he went to worship Sun, near oracle of Dionysus. Then, the Maenads called him for being a non-believer and killed him. His head was sent to Lesbos island through a river. Through this incident, poet wants to say that the muse was unable to save even his own son. Then how could they have saved Lycidas? So, we see that poet is frustrated and gloomy, but at the same time, he is consoling himself as nothing could be done that time. And is this unnecessary to think about it now?
If you love the explanation, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.